Is Mike Sullivan. I'm a former IRS agent and teaching instructor. I worked at IRS over a decade. Welcome to my YouTube channels. My YouTubes are short. They're between 3 and 4 minutes. I give you the information you want, the fillet of the case. I try to give you all the information as a former agent. I pull the curtain back, show you the inside, show you the shortcuts, show you what to do. So today I'm going to talk to you about a notice of tax deficiency. It's a CP 3219A letter that you may have sitting there, or you're looking at and say, oh, I've got this notice of deficiency. What do? I have 90 days to do something. Well, let me tell you how you got here. As you well know, you had an audit. The audit took its toll. The audit was not settled, and IRS now is required to issue you this 90 days letter, the CP 3219A. So now you have this letter. What is your next step? You can do one of two things. You can hire someone like us, you can hire a tax attorney, or someone who's licensed to practice in tax court to ruthlessly defend this. If you did nothing with this letter and this notice, IRS is going to create a bill after the 90 days. They're going to send you out 5 notices, which is over a period of 5 months. At the end of that cycle, if you don't call IRS to settle or get a payment agreement, IRS will start to levy the lien and the wage garnishment process. If you know that you are wrong on this and they're right, I personally wouldn't have you sign a thing. I'll just let the cycle go and anticipate a bill coming out from IRS, but have an exit strategy for that bill. You can contact us, your own tax professional, and say, hey, I've got a $50,000 bill. What am I going to do? You got to plan for that now, because IRS, when they get your collection case, they look back 6 months. So what you're doing now is how IRS is going to judge you on the collection end. As for this notice of deficiency, if you think that you are right and you want to have your day so in court, you want to go ahead and prepare this a letter, and you want to send it. All the information is on that 3219A, where to send it and what to do, what information. All you got to do is look at your own letter and send it. If you're a normal taxpayer and you don't practice in this area, I'm just telling you, I don't care who helps you with this. Don't do this yourself, because it's a little more technical. These cases just don't jump to tax court when you send this in. So don't be scared. Oh, I'm going to tax court. I don't know what to do. When IRS gets these cases and they become docketed, okay? They send them back down to a revenue agent who's going to try to settle the case with you. They just don't usually go to tax. They do every now and then, but very rarely. And remember, when these cases go to tax court, you win these cases with tax court law or with law. You don't win them on emotion, or you think you had some of the records, you lost them, your dog ate this. That don't work. It's all predicated on the law. That's why the case is at court. You really are going to trial. This is normal. It's nothing like, oh my God, I'm going to court. This is a big CSI investigation. It really isn't. Just get this in the hands of somebody you know. But you want to look at that information that IRS sent you, and you have to have enough information to overturn the facts and the findings the agent came up with. Okay, so address it. If you know you're wrong, just let it go. If you need help, you can always call us. I do thank you, by the way, for listening to these YouTubes. If you have new ideas that you'd like me to get the word out, I'm happy to do that. Just comment. I will write on your YouTube. I will create a new YouTube for that. If you like me, or subscribe to me. Thank you so much. I appreciate your time.